Beneath the blazing sun and across the vast, shimmering sands, a secret world of life thrives just out of sight. Whispers in the Wilderness is your invitation to become a nature detective, learning to read the subtle signs and listen to the quiet clues that reveal this hidden kingdom. This is not a journey of loud encounters, but one of patient observation, where a faint track in the dune, a soft call on the wind. Black swans are strong flyers and can travel hundreds of kilometers between water sources, especially during drought. Black swans usually form lifelong pair bonds and are highly devoted partners and parents. Black swans have been introduced to New Zealand, Europe, and parts of Asia for ornamental and park use. Wildebeests are herbivores, eating mostly grasses. Blue wildebeests can weigh up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Wildebeests are social animals, often found in huge herds. Wildebeests are famous for their great migration. Over 1.5 million wildebeests, along with zebras and gazelles, travel between Tanzania and Kenya each year. Llamas have been used for centuries to carry loads, up to 25 to 30% of their body weight, for long distances. Llamas are smart, easy to train, and form strong bonds with other llamas and sometimes humans. Llama wool is warm, Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning their young are born very early and continue to develop in a special pouch. Kangaroos live freely in the wild, but they are also protected by law in Australia to ensure their survival. Kangaroos have excellent eyesight and hearing, helping them spot danger from far away. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, James's, and American flamingo. Flamingos are found in Africa, South America, the Caribbean, the Middle East, and parts of Europe and Asia. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat, especially in cooler water. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Antelopes are herbivorous mammals in the Bovidae family, which also includes goats, sheep, and cattle. Antelope is a general term for over 90 different species, including impalas, gazelles, and kudus. Antelopes feed on grasses, Shoebills are found in Central and Eastern Africa, especially in swampy regions of countries like Uganda, South Sudan, Zambia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Shoebills are very still and patient hunters, often standing motionless for hours before striking their prey. Moose are the largest of all deer species, with adult males, bulls, standing 5 to 7 feet, 1.5 to 2.1 meters at the shoulder and weighing up to 1,600 pounds, 725 kilograms. Parrots belong to the order Psittaciformes, which includes over 400 species like macaws, cockatoos, parakeets, and lovebirds. Parrots can mimic words and sounds, but they don't understand human language like we do, though some may associate words with meanings. Parrots have vibrant plumage. Platypuses are found only in eastern Australia and Tasmania, living in freshwater rivers and streams. The platypus is one of only 5 species of monotremes. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a painful sting to predators or rivals. Monkeys belong to the primate order and are divided into 2 groups: Old World monkeys, Africa and Asia, and New World monkeys. Monkeys eat a varied diet including fruits, leaves, insects, nuts, and sometimes small animals. Frogs live a double life, the meaning of amphibian, starting as aquatic tadpoles with gills before transforming into air-breathing adults. Frogs use their bulging eyes to swallow food. They retract them to push meals down their throats. Frog populations are declining globally. Spoonbills are named for their spatula-shaped bill, which helps them sweep through water to catch food. Spoonbills often nest in large groups, usually with other water birds like herons or ibises. Like flamingos, some spoonbills' pinkish hues come from the carotenoids in their food. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that extend all the way to their shoulders, used to store and transport food. Hamsters are the smallest, about 2 inches long, while Syrian hamsters are the largest, up to 7 inches. Hamsters can reproduce very quickly. Chimpanzees are much stronger than humans, especially for their size. They're also excellent climbers and spend a lot of time in trees. Chimpanzee babies stay with their mothers for about 5 to 7 years, learning everything they need to survive. Ostriches can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Their legs are strong enough to deliver powerful kicks that can kill predators like lions. Dust bathing. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans can fly, but they prefer to hop from branch to branch. Their flight is short, bouncy, and not very graceful. Toucans are known for being intelligent, curious, and sometimes even playful. Owls have fixed tubular eyes. They can't move them, but can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owls have long legs hidden under feathers. What looks like their knees are actually ankles. Owls appear in mythology as symbols of wisdom. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Ibis birds are known for their distinctive long, downward curved beak, perfect for probing in mud and shallow water for food. Ibis are highly social and live in large flocks. They often fly in a V formation during migration to conserve energy. Ibis birds typically nest in colonies. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs communicate through barking, growling, whining. Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality, royalty, and spirituality in cultures around the world, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Peacocks have a very loud, high-pitched call, especially during the mating season or when alarmed. Peacocks have a long train of iridescent tail feathers called a Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes swans and geese. There are over 120 species of ducks. Ducks have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers, colorful feathers, while females are usually brown for camouflage. Ducks eat plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. Eagles are known for their incredible flying skills and can soar at altitudes over 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. Eagles have exceptional eyesight, about 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Eagles build enormous nests called eyries or eyries. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with adult males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes fight by swinging their necks and heads to show dominance. Giraffe has a unique pattern of spots, which helps with camouflage and identification. Their tongue is about 18 to 20 inches, 45 to 50 centimeters long, and dark-colored to protect against sunburn. Tigers mostly live and hunt alone, marking large territories to keep others away. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are strong swimmers. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles, 3 kilometers away. Their stripes help them blend into the forest shadows. Tigers are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, with fewer than 4,000 left in the wild. Adaptation and secret lives. Our adventure focuses on the master survivors of the arid lands. We will learn to identify the delicate telltale footprints of the cunning fennec fox,